5 reasons why rural needs matter. The first reason is that we need to address a complex social challenge at the EU level. The proportion of needs in rural areas is higher in rural regions compared to cities and suburban areas in 12 out of 27 countries. Within country, disparities are very big. In some countries, especially in southern and eastern countries, the proportion of rural needs is 15% higher compared to cities, such as in Bulgaria, Greece, or Romania. A second reason to address the situation of rural needs is that we need to face the situation of school failure in rural areas. School failure is one of the strongest predictors of becoming NEET. The levels of early school leaving from education and training are higher in rural areas across the EU, and many of the south and eastern countries of the Union are seriously increasing the risk of becoming NEETs. A third reason to face the situation of rural needs is the fact that youth unemployment in rural areas is higher among NEETs. Youth unemployment rates are higher across European rural areas compared to cities and suburban areas. Youth unemployment in the countryside is driven by the centrality of the farming sector, low levels of industrialization, and internal mobility limitations, such as low connectivity with cities or lack of transportation. We should also prevent out-migration and brain draining in the countryside. Rural areas are plagued by high levels of youth out-migration and brain draining. Those leaving are the most academic-minded. Those staying behind are mostly the ones with lower levels of social capital and educational attainment. Thus, young people remaining show a greater chance of becoming NEET. Finally, we should try to promote participation in rural areas. Youth out-migration and low-resourced rural young people threats social and civic participation in rural areas. Current challenges associated to sustainable rural areas require strong communities capable of influencing policies oriented to resources management and usage.